Right, I am in Cambodia. I'm not too sure whereabouts. I'm like 100 and a little bit kilometers from Siem Reap, and you'll see I have no bags on the bike right now, and that's because I am on my way. I'm staying in a guest house down there, down the way, and I'm on my way to look at a temple, or multiple temples. I've paid $15, and I'll tell you the name of the temple when I read the sign outside it, because I can't remember. And hopefully today I've got the drone on. We should be able to get some decent drone footage. This thing looks pretty incredible. Okay, I've just seen a sign. It's Koh Ker, K-O-H-K-E-R. There's not many other people knocking about. This is where we are. It's very downhill, which is great until I'm coming back. Oh, there's like a bus there. Maybe that's like a tourist people, maybe, I don't know. I've no idea. You can get tours from like Siem Reap and stuff like that, so I'm assuming that's like a something common. I don't know. I don't really know what to expect. I just thought I'd do a little different video than bikepacking in a country. So yeah, I don't think it's that touristy. That's a complete guess. I have no idea. We've come onto a red road. We're like 4 kilometers from the ticket booth. I know that because this is going on Strava. So I think it's 8 to get to the one at the end. But I believe there's some others in between. We'll try and go to the others first. Save the good one till the end. I don't want to tell you what it is. I have had a look on Google because I didn't want to pay $15 if it weren't worth it. And people are comparing it to Angkor Wat, which, if you don't know what that is, I think it's the biggest one in the world, the biggest temple in the world. And some people are saying that it's better. So this could be impressive. So I've just got to the first one. I don't really know what it is. It's a temple or a tomb, maybe. Can you go inside? There's literally no one else here. There's a guy over there, like a security guy. I just waved my ticket and he was like, yep. But this is, oh, it's pretty... Right, well, I mean, it's pretty cool. Let's get to the next one. There's one thing. This is right in the jungle. Like, this feels so cool. It looks it as well. This is mint cycling dirt down here. Right, there's something else here called Prasat Kraham. Don't know what that means. I'd love to, you know, give everyone some background information, but there's no signs here to tell you anything. Like, literally nothing. Like, I hope you weren't expecting much. You get stuff like that in Ribbleton. There's another one there, look. Prasat Kna and Trap and Car. Just rocks on top of each other. Alright, this one here is Prasat Trap. Getting absolutely annihilated in bites here. Like, nasty ones, they're hurting a bit. Fuck. Alright, here we are. I mean, it's just like ruins everywhere. Like, yeah, it's pretty cool, I suppose. This one's a bit better. These white trees are cool, actually. I wonder why they're like that. It'd be handy to have a sign to tell us why. This is giving off like King Kong vibes. I quite like this one. This is the best one yet, for sure. I'm absolutely dripping with sweat, by the way. I don't know if you can tell. so humid. Every time you stop to just walk around, it's like 95% humidity at the moment. It's ridiculous. As you can tell, I'm not one of these people that stands around and really looks at stuff. Like, I've seen it boxed off. One there, another one there, very similar to the last one. Pretty much exactly the same. If I turn around again, right, we've seen the last one now, haven't we? So we don't need to stop and look at this one. That one just looks like it's a knocked down house. I think that's all it is. Prasat Beng. Broken house, that means. Work site, do not enter. This one's under construction. That's interesting. Oh, they're over there. It's a cool tree over the road. Not allowed in there because it's under construction. Wonder how old it is. It'd be nice to know. Half an hour. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's pretty cool that they're just in the middle of the jungle, but like, I don't really know. People saying it's as good as Angkor Wat. Like, come on. I'm not sure about that, son. Of course, dogs. Yeah, I think we're going. I'm not sure which way. There's one over there. See, those people look really interested in that. I'm not sure why. Tourist bus. We must be at the decent one. Well, that's not a good start. No drone. Let me try and Google to see where we go. Right, Koh Ker Temple, I believe, is this way. Way to visit. It's mental. It's like it's just been destroyed. But how? I feel like I'm in a video game. What's that video game? Uncharted. It's like that. Pond. With a bit of water. Oh, security. I've just seen security down there. So I don't think I'm going to be able to get the drone out. Whatever that means. Is this the right way? Bet that was a toilet. Oh wow, that's mega impressive. It's like Chichen Itza. There's people at the top. How do you get up there? I don't know if I want to actually. That's mega. 1, 2, 7 stories. That is pretty cool. Don't know. Oh, I think there's a ladder there, or stairs even. It's pretty high. Wouldn't have done this 2 years ago. So you can see from like a 360 that it is literally right in the middle of a jungle, and I think that way is where we're staying, but I'm not 100% sure. So yeah, this is cool. Oh, there's loads of money there. No, couldn't do that. There's quite a lot though. People lose quite a lot of money Fair play. There's like something going on over there. Let's go and check that out. Assuming it's something to do with religion. Antiques trade is illegal. Antiques trade? What about bargain hunt? Unfortunately, I think the drone would be really good here, but as you can see, there are security guys all over. Oh, bloody hell. This is where we are. That's like a little restaurant over there. It's nice. It's a nice spot. King Kenny. So yeah, this is what it looks like from the outside. It's nice. It's a good spot. This is where we're going to go and get some food. Look at this, they have these sticky pads because there's so many flies. Not many now. This is what we're on. I forgot to take a video before I broke the egg up, but it's delicious. I think these two cats want some food. I am not the last person that is going to give them something. Let me show you the room that we've got, and I'll show you outside. It's like 2 double beds. A bit of a mess, but only because of me. See what that place was where we've just been, because I still don't have a clue. It's pretty nice here, but the only thing is it's quite expensive. So we're basically in these like countries, it's really cheap if you're in like a touristy area. You can stay somewhere for like £2-3 a night. But then if you go somewhere like this place is £15 a night if you want AC. I've gone for no AC and 2 fans, which has cost £10. Well, $10, so not £10, but may as well be. What I was gonna do was basically come back to the hotel room, research Koh Ker Temple, and then see if there was anything I could tell you, considering there was no signs there. Completely forgot. I'm now in Indonesia, so 2 months later, here we are, researching about Koh Ker Temple. It's Hindu. It was built in the 10th century. It was built by, I'm not going to get this right, King Jayavarman, and it's 35 metres high. That's 7 tier 1. I have no idea what else to say about it. If you've got a couple of days in Siem Reap where you're not doing anything and you're not bored of Angkor Wat, maybe it's worth going if you're into that sort of thing. For me, I wouldn't go back. I hope you enjoyed the video anyway. Thanks for watching.